Welcome to another Forcepoint Tech Talk Tuesday episode. In this video, we will go through how to back up and restore the Forcepoint Web Security policies. Depending on where the policy broker service is installed, this might have to be done by tech support, but we'll go through the process together. As always, please like, subscribe, and leave us a comment. Enjoy! The process for backing up the web security policies has not changed for quite some time, but let's go through this process. The first thing to understand is that we will be doing this on whichever server the policy broker service lives on. This could be either on the Forcepoint Security Manager, the FSM, or on one of the Forcepoint Web Security appliances. The process is slightly different depending on which system the policy broker is installed on. If the policy broker is installed on the Windows server, then you will be able to go through this process on your own. If the policy broker is installed on the Forcepoint Web Security appliance, then you will need to contact Forcepoint Tech Support for assistance unless you have root access to the appliance. Let's go through the process on the Windows server first. Check to make sure the policy broker service is installed on this machine by opening the services and looking for WebSense Policy Broker. If you do see this here, then great, let's continue. If not, then most likely it's on one of your appliances. To back up the policies, open a command prompt as administrator. Then navigate to C, Program Files, x86, WebSense, Web Security, bin. Then run the command pgsetup.exe --save policy.wsdb. This will save the policies to a file called policy.wsdb. Or, if you want to change the file name, you can change that as long as the file extension is still .wsdb. To restore the policies on this server or another server, you're going to want to make sure that the WSDB file is in the bin folder. And then you want to run the command from the bin folder, pgsetup.exe --restore policies.wsdb --no-clobber. The no-clobber command is required when migrating the policies to a new server, and I typically just add this no-clobber command anytime I'm restoring the policies. The other command that you will need to run is pgsetup.exe --upgrade if you are migrating to the policies to a server that is a newer version, so like 8.3 to 8.5, something like that. Once you run through these commands, then you're done. The policies should show up inside the console when you look. If you want to run through the same steps on the appliance, you will need root access. If you do not have root access, then tech support will have to help you with this. If you have root access, then follow along with these steps. Let's SSH into the appliance using PuTTY or something similar. Then log in with the tech-support account. And then once you're in with that, log in with the super user account, typing in su-, and then input the super user password there. Once you're in as a super user, you want to type in sshwse, and this will put you in the web security DOM on the system. Here we will navigate to the bin directory with the command cd/opt/websense/bin, and these are case sensitive commands, so make sure you're putting them in with the right capitalization, which you should see on the screen here. Once in the bin directory, you will need to export the libraries required to run the pgsetup command by inputting export in all caps ld_library_path equals lowercase here, opt/websense bin. Once these libraries have been exported, then you can proceed with the pgsetup command. To back up the policies, type in /, and capitalization matters here again, so /pgsetup --save policy.wsdb. This will create the backup file called policy.wsdb, and you can change the name of the file, but make sure that the extension WSDB stays the same. If you want to restore the policy backup, then input the command /pgsetup --restore policy.wsdb --no-clobber. If you are moving from an older version to a newer version, make sure you also run the upgrade command with /pgsetup --upgrade. Thanks for watching this Forcepoint Tech Talk episode, where we were able to go through how to back up and restore policies for the Forcepoint Web Security solution. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And as always, please hit that like button and subscribe to show your support for this channel. See you next time.